Hi, everyone. I know that Canvas is kind of new for some of us, and so I thought I'd give you a quick tour of our course and some of the expectations. Here is the opening page of our course, which is pretty great. You'll see at the very top here where we have announcements. So each week I'll put one or two or even three announcements and give assignment tips, what's coming up for the week. It's where we'll put the recording for the exam review sessions and also the study guides. So keep your eye on here. You can also comment on the announcements if you have questions. Here in the left-hand corner, you'll see a series of links. There's home that will always bring you to this page. There's announcements that will bring you to the announcements page. The syllabus is a direct link to the syllabus. If you ever have a question, it also will come in handy for the syllabus quiz during lesson 1. Modules will take you to the modules. Grades will take you to your grades, where you have everything that you've done and that's upcoming. And this is also a great place after the exams close. You can go in and see what you've missed and why you've missed it. And if you go even one step further to the left, you'll see a bunch of links here. Courses will bring you a dashboard that will have all of your courses that you can have direct link to. Your calendar, all upcoming calendar items. Your inbox is a way to communicate with me and your different classmates. And then help. So let's go down here a little bit. And it has information about me, a tutorial that talks about Canvas in general, and different resources you have. So let's go to week 1. There's 14 modules in our course, and this first week is pretty easy. You're going to take a pretest, which isn't graded, but it kind of gives you an idea of what we're going to learn in this course. And then it has an introduction, an icebreaker discussion that can talk about you and all about you and pictures and your favorite things. It also has the syllabus and then the syllabus quiz. All assignments are due Saturday at 10:59. Exams, responses to discussion boards, essays, it's all due Saturday at 10:59. Now, eventually here in week 2 or 3, we're going to start having discussion boards. Discussion boards are due, your initial posting is due Wednesday at midnight. That's your initial response to the discussion prompts. Your then part of the assignment is required to ask 3 to 5 responses to different classmates. So those responses are due Saturday, but your initial post, your initial essay is due Wednesday, so everybody has a chance to see your great ideas. So if you continue down to week 2, you'll see if you click on study, this page will come up, will have the readings. It will also usually have videos that you need to do and watch. Helps you learn. It also has a bunch of maps and pictures. And then here's the discussion board. You will have just one group and you're automatically put in groups, so you don't have to worry about that. And then there's these prompts that you need to respond to. So I'm going to click over here, modules, that will take us back to all the modules. Each module opens up Thursday before we work on it. So you have a couple extra days to work on it if you want to get a little bit ahead. So then you'll notice in week 3, we have an exam. So some weeks you'll have an essay, and then corresponding weeks or every other week you'll have an exam. The exam covers the 2 lessons before it. So lesson 3, exam 1 will cover lesson 2 and lesson 3. And I think that's about it. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me via email and I will get right back to you.